AI and cybersecurity challenges in protecting digital assets and user privacy. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence, AI, has become a game-changer, offering groundbreaking advancements and opportunities. However, with these innovations come significant challenges, particularly in the realm of cybersecurity. The dual role of AI in cybersecurity. AI plays a dual role in the realm of cybersecurity, serving both as a powerful tool for defense and a potential weapon for attackers. On the defensive side, AI enhances cybersecurity by analyzing vast amounts of data at lightning speed, identifying patterns, and detecting anomalies that may indicate a security breach. Traditional security systems often struggle with the sheer volume and complexity of modern cyber threats. But AI-powered solutions can process and analyze data from multiple sources simultaneously, providing real-time insights and responses. For example, machine learning algorithms can be trained to recognize patterns associated with phishing attacks, malware, and other cyber threats, enabling them to detect these threats with a high degree of accuracy. This proactive approach allows security teams to address vulnerabilities before they can be exploited, significantly improving the overall security posture of an organization. However, the same capabilities that make AI an effective defensive tool also pose risks when harnessed by cybercriminals. AI can be used to develop sophisticated attacks that are difficult to detect and counter. For instance, attackers can employ AI to generate highly convincing phishing emails that are tailored to bypass traditional spam filters and deceive recipients. Privacy concerns with AI surveillance. As AI technology becomes more integrated into surveillance systems, privacy concerns have emerged as a significant issue. AI-powered surveillance tools, such as facial recognition systems and automated monitoring solutions, offer the ability to track and analyze individuals' activities with unprecedented precision. These technologies can enhance security by identifying potential threats and ensuring public safety. For instance, AI can be used to monitor surveillance footage in real time, detecting suspicious behavior, and alerting authorities to potential security risks. This capability can be particularly valuable in high-security areas or during major events where maintaining safety is a top priority. However, the extensive use of AI surveillance also raises serious privacy concerns. The ability to collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data can lead to intrusive monitoring and potential misuse of information. AI and the rise of deepfakes. The rise of deepfake technology, driven by advancements in AI, has introduced a new set of challenges in cybersecurity and digital asset protection. Deepfakes use AI algorithms to create hyper-realistic, but entirely fabricated media content, such as videos, audio recordings, and images. These creations can be used to deceive and manipulate audiences, posing significant risks to individuals, organizations, and society at large. For example, deepfake videos can be used to create false evidence, spread misinformation, or damage reputations. The ability to generate convincing content that appears authentic makes it increasingly difficult to distinguish between real and fake media, complicating efforts to verify information and maintain trust. The potential for deepfakes to be used maliciously highlights the need for advanced detection and verification technologies. Traditional methods of content verification are often inadequate in the face of sophisticated deepfake techniques. Securing AI systems from cyber attacks. As AI systems become integral to various industries and applications, securing these systems from cyber attacks is a growing concern. AI systems are often connected to critical infrastructure, such as financial institutions, healthcare networks, and transportation systems, making them attractive targets for cybercriminals. A successful attack on an AI system can have far-reaching consequences, including data breaches, service disruptions, and compromised decision-making processes. For example, an attacker could manipulate an AI algorithm to produce incorrect results, leading to financial losses or safety hazards. Ensuring the security of AI systems requires a multifaceted approach that includes robust cybersecurity measures, continuous monitoring, and regular updates. One key challenge in securing AI systems is protecting the data used to train and operate these algorithms. AI systems rely on large datasets to learn and make predictions, and if these datasets are compromised, the integrity of the AI's outputs can be undermined. Ethical implications of AI in cybersecurity. The integration of AI into cybersecurity raises important ethical considerations that must be addressed to ensure responsible and equitable use of technology. AI systems have the potential to greatly enhance security measures, but their deployment also presents ethical dilemmas related to privacy, bias, and accountability. For instance, the use of AI for monitoring and surveillance can lead to concerns about individual privacy and the potential for abuse of power. Additionally, AI algorithms may inadvertently perpetuate biases present in training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Ensuring that AI systems are designed and used in an ethical manner requires a commitment to transparency, fairness, and accountability throughout the development and deployment process. Addressing these ethical implications involves engaging stakeholders from various fields, including technology, law, and ethics, to develop guidelines and best practices for AI use in cybersecurity. The challenge of AI bias and fairness. AI systems are not immune to biases that can impact their effectiveness and fairness. Bias in AI can arise from various sources, including the data used to train algorithms, the design of the systems themselves, and the context in which they are deployed. For example, if an AI system is trained on biased data, it may produce skewed or unfair results, leading to discriminatory outcomes or reinforcing existing inequalities. In the context of cybersecurity, biased AI systems can exacerbate vulnerabilities by disproportionately targeting certain groups or failing to adequately address emerging threats. Addressing AI bias requires a proactive approach to data collection, algorithm design, and system evaluation to ensure that AI systems are fair and equitable. One effective strategy for mitigating AI bias is to implement diverse and representative datasets during the training process. By including a broad range of data that reflects different perspectives and experiences, organizations can reduce the likelihood of bias and improve the accuracy and fairness of AI systems. The future of AI and cybersecurity. Looking ahead, the future of AI and cybersecurity will be shaped by ongoing advancements in technology, evolving threat landscapes, and the need for innovative solutions to address emerging challenges. AI's role in cybersecurity will continue to grow, with new applications and techniques that enhance threat detection, response, and prevention. As AI technologies become more sophisticated, they will offer new opportunities for improving security measures and protecting digital assets and user privacy. However, these advancements will also require a continuous focus on addressing the associated risks and ethical considerations. The future of AI in cybersecurity will involve a collaborative approach, where technology developers, cybersecurity experts, and policymakers work together to create effective and responsible solutions. Investments in research and development will be crucial for advancing AI capabilities and addressing emerging threats. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.